Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Well, guys, you know when my camera's pointed at this desk, this is a DIY video. Guys, today I am participating in the Regal Designs by Shushana collaboration, and it is the Falling into Fall 2020 collaboration. Now, Shushana has a co-host for this one, and it is Nadia of DIY with Nadia. Now, if you don't know their channels, please go down in my description box. Make sure you find the links to their channels as well as to the playlist for this collaboration. Now, Shushana has been hosting these collaborations this entire month. And if you go to her channel, you will be able to find playlists for, the various weeks. And I wanted to make sure that I got in this week and participated with her. Now, because of my time constraints, I'm not able to do a really elaborate DIY, but I thought about it and I said, because this is also a Dollar Tree DIY, I thought about it and I thought, you know what? I think I can do a DIY floral arrangement for you using all Dollar Tree items and just show you how you can decorate your home or put together a floral arrangement for your home and not spend a lot of money. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to do a DIY floral arrangement. Now, and again, guys, if you follow this channel and you're a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And if you don't follow the channel, I really hope that you'll see something in my content that you like and that you will become a subscriber and that you will hit the notification bell as well. Now, if you go back in my history, you'll see a lot of DIY fixer-upper tutorials because that's really how I started my channel. And then more recently, you're going to see mostly home decor, but you will every now and then see me do a little fixer-upper kind of video. And you'll see tons of tablescapes, you'll see challenges, collaborations, things like that. So again, I hope you find some that you like and that you'll become, that you'll decide to subscribe to the channel. So enough talking. Let me go ahead and get going with our DIY. So here's what we have. I picked up these little galvanized tin containers at Dollar Tree. If you shop at Dollar Tree, you've probably seen them there. They've already got some of the rope around it. You can see that. It's already been glued into place. Every now and then you'll get one and the rope has come loose and you just hit it with a little glue and voila. So that's what we're going to use for our arrangement. I pick up these little floral, foam floral blocks also from Dollar Tree. And what I like to do when I'm doing a floral arrangement is I like to take and use a little hot glue and put my block in the bottom. That way my block stays stable. So over here, you may not be able to see it on camera. I have my block. And I'm going to insert it down in the middle. And I leave it there for a little bit and make sure that it's stable. Now, forgive me for having this mess of florals here. That's a pick I haven't cut yet. I'm working in my office, and someday soon I'm going to have a room set up here that's specifically for crafting. But right now we're using my office. So I usually start by going through, and by the way, these are all picks that, again, I picked up at the Dollar Tree. and very inexpensive picks. I usually go through my picks and look for a longer pick, and that's how I start my arrangement. And I simply put it in the center, like so. All right. Now we're going to add a little leaf arrangement to this. And in the beginning, I just kind of grab some picks, start putting them in, work my way around. Now this one's a little different. It's got a little grass at the top and a little bit different arrangement there, but we're gonna put that in and see how that looks. And that's what we've got so far. Now this one just has the little berries on it, so we're gonna add one of those in. See how that looks. There we go. All right. Alright guys, so this is how my arrangement turned out. I played around with it a little bit off screen, just kind of moved some things around. But again, these are all Dollar Tree picks. And the container I picked up at Dollar Tree. And tomorrow, actually, if you come back, you'll see a video where I'm going to use this centerpiece. So I'm participating in a collaboration tomorrow where I'm going to be doing a little it's not going to be a tablescape actually. I'm actually going to set up, my beverage area, and you'll get to see that. So anyway, that's all I had for you. Thank you so much for watching and for tuning in. Don't forget to go over and to visit Shushana's channel. Actually, again, she has 2 channels that you can visit. One where she does her clean with me's, and then of course her DIY channel is Regal Designs by Shushana. And again, her co-host is Nadia of DIY with Nadia. I want to thank both of them. And guys, you know what I'm going to say. I'll see you in the next video.